Are you looking for the best spirit levels in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best spirit levels that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Craftsman Box Torpedo Spirit Level. The Craftsman Box Torpedo Level was a trusty standby as tested. It has a stout profile that still fits in my tool bag, and it passed an overhead drop test. Its magnetic rail would be helpful for anyone who wants to store it on a toolbox. During the review period, I was most happy with the level's durability. Sometimes, a drop destroys a level. I've seen it happen before. But the Craftsman Box Torpedo didn't budge after several drops on a hardwood floor from overhead height. I did have to drop test it as part of my due diligence, but I would have hated to see the level go. It worked in my tool bag, and it was handy for quick jobs around the house, shimming a cabinet and plumbing my refrigerator. All things considered, I'd recommend the Craftsman Box Torpedo Level to anyone who wants a solid 9-inch level built to last. It did everything I wanted it to, and its magnified vials were easy to read. Overall, I was happy with it, except for the minor criticism of being a little thick for its length. Up next in the 4th place is the Craftsman Cast Torpedo Spirit Level. Craftsman's Cast Torpedo Level is a very complete tool, with 3 vials including one you can set to read any angle. The center vial is highly magnified for easy reading. The level is made of durable extruded aluminum, and the ends are tapered to save space and weight. But the Craftsman Cast Torpedo's main event is the selectable angle bubble. If you're trying to measure any angle up to and including 90 degrees in either direction, you can set the dial and proceed. When the bubble's between the hairlines, you've got your angle. Get Craftsman's unique Cast Torpedo Level. If you need to measure life in 360 degrees, the tool goes beyond the traditional. For more DIY essentials, check out our list of the best laser measuring tools on the market. The 3rd product on our list is the Empire E105 Digital Spirit Level. Empire's E105 Digital Spirit Level calibrates automatically to deliver inspector-grade results. The digital display reads in 7 different formats and is complemented by 2 spirit vials. For a precision spirit level, the E105 is a great choice. One of the best level tools around from one of the best level companies in the business. The E105 is capable and diverse. 2 traditional spirit vials with distinctive blue fluid are there, as is the digital display. The digital display has 7 different settings for reading. 4 are precision settings, showing degrees in tenths or hundredths, plus millimeters per meter and percent grade. 3 are rough-in modes, including degrees, inches per foot fractional, and inches per foot decimal. The digital display reads from both the top and the side of the level. The Empire E105 is a box-style level. The digital display is protected by an IP65 waterproof rating. Empire is a trusted brand for measuring tools, and its digital spirit level has a good reputation among reviewers. Don't forget to also check out these reliable digital calipers. Second on our list is the Stabila Spirit Levels Type 19678 Complete Set. Stabila Spirit Levels Type 19678 Complete Set. German-made Stabila is a leading name in levels. If you're serious about getting any project right, the complete set of Stabila levels can help you get there. It includes 6 levels and a carrying case. The set includes a 10-inch torpedo and 16, 24, 32, 48, and 78-inch box levels. The torpedo level has a magnetic rail. Stabila has a bulletproof reputation among users, and it constructs its levels to last with its proprietary locked vial technology. Stabila's proud of its vial, too. In the words of the manufacturer, they're made with highly transparent, hard-wearing acrylic glass with precision-ground inner contours and fluorescent vial fluid. The carrying case protects the kit during transport, and end caps guard each level from impact. Get arguably the best level at nearly every size with Stabila's Type 196/78 set. Pricey but complete. Its engineers' spirit levels promise to make users happy over the long haul. This handy set also makes a perfect DIY gift. Finally, the top product on our list is the Workpro Spirit Levels 3-piece set. It looks attractive, but I'm going to call it right now. I wouldn't buy the Workpro 3-piece level set for any serious reason. The cheap set includes a 9, 16, and 24-inch level plus a carrying case. The 9-inch torpedo has 3 embedded magnets. There are 2 reasons I would avoid buying these. The first is that if I have a 16-inch level, I don't need a 24-inch level. If Workpro included a 4-footer, they'd have more of my attention. But the reality is, you can do just about anything a 24-inch level does with 16 inches. The other reason I wouldn't buy the Workpro set is that the worst tool I own, an 8-inch adjustable wrench, is a Workpro. The machining is awful. The wheel that adjusts the size is snaggy and inconsistent, and the jaw's width can vary by a full millimeter once it's set. In no way do I trust Workpro to make a tool intended to consistently measure precision. You might be tempted to buy the cheap set if you're just putting up some shelves in the garage or shimming a cabinet. In the case of Workpro, I'd say you're just as well off eyeballing it. True, it's worked for some reviewers, but I wouldn't trust it as far as I could throw it, and I wouldn't expect it to be a whole lot less accurate once I picked it up from wherever it landed. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.